have one of our gold member. Her name is Megha Upadhyay with us, and we have the angel coach Jyoti Chaudhary who is taking care of Megha. So I was informed by Jyoti that all her skin disease has been reversed. There's no itching, no rashes. All supplements she was taking is gone 100%. She was having a lot of body pains. It's all gone. She has reduced 3 kgs. No breathlessness, no fainting. Her BP is normal. Sound sleep. Digestion, she says 50 to 60%, it's awesome now. Constipation, she says 50 to 60%, it's improved. Now, she had fibroids, big ones. And we decided, yes, you need to go with surgery, right? Now, let's come to Megha because she will be the better person to tell exactly what she did and how was the journey and how she's feeling now. So over to you, Megha, and congratulations for coming in the Hall of Fame.
Good evening, friends. A big hello to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this platform today. I thank Mr. Vishalji and Jyotiji from the depth of my heart to bring a ray of hope and healthy energy in my life. Primarily, I would like to brief on how my health condition was and how it improved because of the Go Nature and naturopathy diet and all. Since initial days of my menstruation, I was suffering from painful and heavy bleeding, and it was always been a pain for me, my period cycles, and which quite disturbed my routine life, my career also to some extent. I would like to mention that this was the main problem which got cured very much easily, like it was never before, I could say, because of the nutrition I followed prior to my surgery. Also after my surgery, with the new guidance of Mr. Vishalji and Jyotiji, they helped me at the right time, I would say, and my life has changed 360 degree as far as my health is concerned. I would like to mention that I was also suffering from my skin issue since childhood. I had a skin issue, and over the period of time, I developed sleep disorder, joint pains, restlessness, digestion issue, which was also cured. I've started with Meta program since July, and it is gone. There is no problem existing, all of this which I've mentioned right now. However, I've followed religiously the diet recommended by my coach. Also the basic things which they always stress on, that you have to be in sunlight for 1 hour daily. You have to walk at least for half an hour or 1 hour daily. You have to consume sufficient water. You have to consume sufficient vegetables and fruits. I have followed this religiously since I am a silver member of Go Nature, and I've become a gold member also since July. And Go Nature comes as a game changer for my life. I am not employed since last 2 years, but I have decided to start my career with a bang in coming 2 months. So I am really happy, and it was a lifetime decision which I made to go with Go Nature. And to be very frank and to stress upon a very important point, that I have made a lot of positive changes in the family members also, to follow without MRP diet and to consume fruits and vegetables maximum in the midst of the meals, which was not happening previously. So I set my example, that how I faced my surgery positively in a very chill manner. Nobody, even in the hospital, doctors and nurses said that you do not behave like a patient. We do not feel that you are a patient. You are behaving like a guest here. And they were all happy how I responded to the medicine and the treatment they gave me there. So it makes a lot of difference. If you believe in Go Nature and naturopathy from the core of your heart, it will definitely give result. So
Amazing.
Thank you, Charles, and thank you, Joe.
Amazing. So apart from the health part, you are planning to get back to your job. That is really amazing. And your family members have also benefited.
Yeah.
Amazing. I'll come directly to the angel coach, Jyoti. Jyoti, how has been your journey with Megha?
Good evening, everyone. I'm so happy for Megha. She started on a very great note. She followed it so well that when she took on the goal, she was already into it. So that is how her recovery became much more easier, I would say. And the kind of issue she had, which Vishal, I think you have always been, saying it many a times. There comes a time in life when surgery is, inevitable. So in her case, when the kind of condition I saw her, I really felt that we should not wait any longer with the kind of issues she was having on monthly basis. So I didn't want her to go through that agony. So we decided together that yes, I think surgery is the answer. But the best part is through her consistent effort in taking the right diet before and after. I think even I was amazed. Even I was shocked seeing her, that how after coming back from the hospital, she was saying, I'm absolutely fine. I'm energetic. I don't have any low energy. I have good stamina. I've started working at home. All that she said to me. So thank you so much, Megha. So for coming here and giving this testimonial and proving to all of us that how naturopathy can really transform what you said, 360 degrees, and it does. So I'm really thankful to you, Vishal, for giving me this opportunity to take care of Megha.
Great. So thank you so much, Megha. More power to you. This is just the beginning, and just create the magic. Thank you so much, Jyoti. Thank you so much.